Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hotly Trending, your home of crypto airdrop guides, crypto opportunities, and testnet guides to help you earn your first dollars in crypto for free. Today we'll be looking at Qiro Finance and how to position ourselves. This is a very new testnet that just launched February 3, and they've managed to raise $1.2 million. Testnet was just launched recently, February 3rd. And most of these pools are getting filled up. So as usual, all the links that are required, the link to the testnet is in the description of the video. So you click on the link and you connect your wallet, your MetaMask wallet. This can also be done on your mobile device using Kiwi browser, Mysys browser, or Orion browser. Qiro Finance, they just launched a public testnet. You can do actions on the testnet. Basically, for now, you can only earn from the liquidity pool. Yeah. With time, they're also going to activate the borrowing feature. So you'll be able to click on the tab to borrow. So, as you can see, we're going to, the liquidity pools, the pools are getting filled up. And you will see in the video, there are some pools you won't be able to invest in, and you'll be able to invest in others. In this video, we'll connect our wallet. Now we've connected our wallet. We have added the Plume DevNet. So Qiro Finance is on Plume, Plume, which was its own platform, its own chain. So you can see or join the Discord channel for Qiro Finance. Make sure you have a Discord channel or a Discord account rather. Next thing we'll do is we'll just click on start here. You react to this and click on that. You look at the welcome channel. You check the announcements. You go to general, and you get to the GM group, and you just say good morning. That's GM, and the testnet feedback. So there you can give them your feedback. So let's claim faucet. So actually in this video, I was able to decide. I was having issues trying to get the Plume Network faucet, because you need to get PUSD and PAET. So that's like the faucet tokens for Plume Testnet or Plume DevNet. For Plume Network, you need to get their testnet tokens, and I wasn't able to get it for a little while. I saw the testnet faucet and I was trying to request for it, trying to paste my wallet address there, because I was seeing it was 0. So now I felt like testnet orb.plume network .xyz was the right address. Because you see, this is the thing about these platforms when they just launch. Sometimes you have to. So when I chatted with them, I was like, oh, how do I get this faucet? And from the Discord, somebody else told me, oh, go to the official link. You're going to see it in the official link channel. So I went to the official link channel and I saw, oh, Plume Network faucet. I just copied the address, went to a new tab, and then pasted it there. So you can see it's actually different. It's a test-faucet. So it's test faucet. Just imagine, I wouldn't have noticed. I was trying to get testnet tokens, but you're supposed to be getting the DevNet tokens. So you can see that was the error, but this is what we go through in order to create this kind of guide, so you actually are able to do this smoothly. Because I actually spent a good portion of 30 minutes trying to figure out why wasn't I getting the right faucet for this. And I was searching the internet. I wasn't really seeing it until the Discord, actually. It was right under my nose. It was in there. Discord server. I didn't notice. So all you need to do is click on that. You're going to get the ETH, and you're also going to get the PUSD, because the ETH will be for the gas fee. The PUSD is like stable coin. That's what you're going to be investing in the platform. So right now, as at the time I was recording this video, there wasn't, the limit was still a little bit higher, I think, because the traffic wasn't that much. So by the time you're watching this video, you might not be able to make as many requests as I'm making in this video, but you only need to make one request of PUSD and one request of the ETH tokens. You can see I just got them. The ETH token is showing, the PUSD might not be showing, but you can see we are on Plume DevNet, not Plume Testnet. So for the Plume, so we're in the end tabs. We're trying to invest in this pool, but you can see it shows that the tranche is full, so we wouldn't be able to invest in that pool. You can see that's why it is 0. I can't even invest $1 in this pool. So we look at the next pool, the trade finance pool. Okay, this one is not yet full. So most of these new pools will come out with time, but sometimes you might not. If you don't invest on time, the pools might be filled up and you have to wait for a new pool to be added. You can see you can invest. I'm trying to invest $500, but you can see it said the minimum you can invest is $1,000. So you just click on approve PUSD. You can see the pool review. Pool capacity is $10 million. The total value locked is $1.9 million. The minimum invested is $1,000. The loan term is for 7 days. Interest is paid in USD. You're going to repay in USD. The APY is 13%. The capital formation is 7 days. So when you invest in this pool, the average APY is 13%, and you would only be able to redeem from this pool after the tenure of the pool. So that is basically after 7 days has passed by. Okay. So let's keep it on. By going to the history, you can see I invested $8,000 on February 4. That was when I was making this video. And I was making the screen recording actually. Because when I made it, I tend to make, potential videos. But then it takes me a while for me to release it. I'll do better. But also I always try to make my research deeply, so I don't just post low quality videos that wouldn't make sense, because it was launched February 3rd and I was on it on February 4th. But I also was checking, okay, what is this platform? Is this platform safe? Can I present this platform to my viewers and ask them to interact with this testnet? This is going to make sense. But then right now I'm looking at it and I'm like, yeah, this is making sense. This is going to be good. So do this. So you can also see there's a link there for faucet actually. So you can actually use that when you go to the trade pool and you click on portfolio. By the time you want to invest, you just see that little faucet there. You can just click on that and you get a faucet. So that's just that. Very simple, very straightforward. You can check the leaderboard, but the leaderboard, as at the time I was making the video, coming soon. As of today when I was recording, it hasn't been developed. Next thing you need to do is you need to complete the Galxe task. So the Galaxy task, I like to call it Galaxy. So the Qiro Marketplace or Plume DevNet campaign. Please do this task so you can earn 100 points. It's on a first come first serve basis. As you can see, most of the tasks are very simple tasks. Follow, most of it will be completed on X. So follow, retweet, like, very simple, very straightforward. So follow Qiro Finance, that is done. You can see it's followed by Mario Norfall. If you know who Mario Norfall is, man, you know he doesn't just follow anyhow projects. So also on Telegram, to follow on Telegram, also join the group. So you just join the group on Telegram. You can like. Next one is to like the tweet. You click on like. Basically, that is done. As you can see, next is to retweet the tweets. So I always try to refresh each task to see that it has been ticked, that it is done. Okay. So the next is to retweet. Yeah, boy. So click on repost. That is done. Beautiful. As you can see, it is done. So you can even see it there from the post. They've also explained how you can do this. So this is basically the next day. So I can see everything is there. So you can even, this is even a guide for rate. So retweets. So you can scroll down. We've gotten 50 points already. So the next two is to visit the Qiro marketplace on Plume Network. So that's basically the testnet link, testnet.qiro.fi. So that's just it. I've visited now, so I can close that tab. The next is to visit the invest in Qiro marketplace pools. Okay, continue to access. That is done. So I can close this tab. I'm just waiting for it to load. Okay, it is loaded. I can close this tab. I can check portfolio. $2,000 invested. Well, close the tab. We need to leave here. Okay, so that is now done. I'll click on claim. It is gasless, so it doesn't cost you anything to claim. So that is done. Claiming 100 points. Transaction submitted successfully. So basically done. You can see it is gasless, so they don't charge you the gas fee, maybe on 10 cents or 20 cents. That's $0.1 or so. It is paid by the project, so it is free. We have positioned ourselves for this airdrop. All you need to do is invest in the pools. You can get the faucet every day. Invest in different pools. After 7 days, after the lockup period for each pool might be different from the others, but after the tenure, after the lockup period, you can redeem your funds and invest it in another pool. You see the APY for the pools might range from 14% all the way to 20% to 30%. So you can just invest, get faucets, redeem after some days. Just test the platform. Then when the borrowing is launched, then you can also borrow and repay your loans. Thank you for watching this video. I love you all. Please like, subscribe to the channel, share this video with everybody. I'd like to hear from you. Please comment and also subscribe. You'll be up in this channel and you'll be moving me closer to being monetized at least by the end of 2025. Thank you all. I love you all. You've all been supporting me. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.